Hey guys, and welcome to the Volkswagen MK1 series. In today's episode, I am going to show you how to go from this kind of undercarriage, guys. Take a good look at it. So there it is. To go from this to this kind of undercarriage, guys. Look how mint that looks. It looks like a brand new car underneath, guys. Look at it all. So all of that, guys, only cost me $25, guys. So stay tuned to this video and I will show you step by step on how to do that. Okay, guys, now that you've seen it, you know what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna show you how I did that. Let's get into this right away. Okay, guys, so I got the gas tank off and everything. I'm getting all new parts, right? New gas tank and everything. So I might as well paint everything before I get the new gas tank. That's what we're gonna do in this video. Okay, so the first thing I gotta do here, guys, is I need to put the wheels on. I need to put the rear suspension back on. I have to get the car outside because I need to pressure wash it super good to get any salt off, any dirt off. I'm basically washing the whole entire car. Like, see, like inside of these areas, see there's salt and sand because I am gonna be repainting the whole entire car, guys, but we're just gonna focus on the underneath and the wheel wells and all that in this episode. Okay, so I'm gonna off camera put all that back together and get this thing outside.
As usual, guys, doing things the right way. We got a beautiful, almost spring day here in Canada, and let's get started right away.
So just by miracle, guys, it is above zero here, which it usually isn't. So I can actually do this because the hose is not going to freeze. Okay, I'm going to go get the hose and the pressure washer ready and all of that. Okay, guys, so here's my setup. I got a pressure washer, right? And with that, I'm obviously going to clean everything best I can. I'm going to get all the oils off the motor. Like, I'm going to clean everything up. I'm going to spend like half an hour cleaning this car. And also I made one of these, which I'm very proud of. I use this thing all the time. So you switch this on the end of the gun here and see at the end, it points up. So you can go underneath the car, all in the wheel wells. Like, we're gonna get all the dirt, all the salt off this thing. Okay, guys, that was one squeaky clean wash. Look at all the crap that came off of the car. It is absolutely spotless. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna have to wait like a day or two for it to dry before I can start working on the underneath. It's gotta be nice and dry. See you guys in a few days. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, guys, we're gonna grab a wired brush and a wired brush on a wheel like this. And we're basically, like, we're painting the inside of the wheel wells today. Some of the front ones, like once I'm changing the struts, then I'll paint them there. But anything you see that's kind of rusty looking or whatever, see like that. That's good enough. So I'm just gonna do that basically to everything. See, just like that. The pressure washing worked very well. Like, see, I'm concerned about parts like this. So you just want to scrape some of this rust off. And I mean, there you go. That's good enough. You don't want anything flaking off. So let's go underneath and I'll show you underneath what we're going to do. Okay, that's the back of the car. So for example, like, you know, if you see something like that, I'm just going to hit it with this, right? See, just like that. So I'm just going to go around and like everything I see like this spot where the hanger is, for example. Gonna go around and like get all the flaky kind of rusty stuff off. There really isn't much of it, but anywhere that there is some, I am gonna go around and I'm gonna like just clean it up a little bit better than what the pressure washer did. I should be able to do the whole underneath of the car in like 25 minutes. Let's go in the front. I'll show you some spots there. And yes, guys, make sure you have the car really secure. I got tires under it. I got double jack stands, like super safety. You don't want a car falling on you and killing you, guys. See, so like under here, guys, like I want to paint all this stuff. This is what you got to check for when you're buying one of these cars. If this is all rotted out, don't waste your time. Our car is extremely solid somehow. It's crazy actually for Canada how solid this car is. So same thing. I'm just going to grab this and get all the loose stuff off. So you want it to kind of look like that. See, just like that. Wear a mask, you know. So go around and clean everything you're gonna paint, guys. Nothing really to it, guys. You know, like these kind of bolts and stuff. See how these look up close, right? So you want to get in here. Might want to use that wire wheel. See, it already looks better. Just want to clean whatever you can, the best you can. I think you guys get it now. Okay, I'm going to clean all this best I can, and we're moving on. Oh yeah, and I am pulling the gas lines off because I am replacing them. So pull these off, label what goes to what. You don't want to mess that up. I already pulled off the brake lines on the other side, guys. Okay, I'm going to do all this and see you guys soon. Okay, guys, she is ready. So this is what I'm using. $25 I paid for this. Rust paint, guys. Yes, it takes days to dry good, but it absorbs into the rust if there is any, and it looks amazing, and it covers so good. Okay, let's start. All I'm using is a paintbrush. Okay, guys, this is actually extremely satisfying. Check it out. So I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna paint these wheel wells all underneath. And that is that. Look how nice that looks. Ooh. All right, guys, let's do this. All right, guys, well, that totally turned out. I even started painting the trailing arm. it was really stinky. So make sure you wear a respirator. And it's actually a few days later because it stunk in here so bad. I just wanted the smell to be gone before I even came back in here. Check out the final result. Okay guys, so here it is. Look how awesome that looks. I am super happy with that. So now we are ready for the gas tank, new gas lines, new brake lines. So this is a series, guys. So make sure you check out the whole entire series, guys. We are gonna be making this thing look mint. It's gonna have awesome rims on it. Roof episode coming still. Timing belt, fuel stuff. Check out the floor, just did that in the previous episode. Nice and solid. Lots and lots going on here, guys. Make sure you check out the whole entire series, every episode in a row. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, everybody.